Welcome back to another video. Today's going to be a little short video. We've had our budgie birds for about 2 months now, and this is where they are. Taz is in his swing. Tazzy boy's in his swing. And Ari is sitting where a mirror used to be, because when Alice was cleaning the mirror, he kind of dropped it back. But it's not that big of a deal, because they got plenty of mirrors. They got mirrors everywhere. They got like 3 mirrors in here. So, and they got a big mirror in here. So they want to look at themselves. They can look in the mirror in the bathroom. So here's Taz, the one sitting in the swing. We've had them both for 2 months. Yeah, so they've been moved a lot. They were originally in the kitchen. And then they were in the living room for, I think, a couple weeks. And then they ended up back in the kitchen for like a couple days. And they kept waking me up because they were like screaming and stuff. Because they scream when they yell, kind of. And then they ended up in the bathroom because I couldn't get any sleep and I was stressing like crazy about getting sleep. So I love them very much. I do. I love you guys. Too much. Yeah, they usually get a treat every Sunday. We went to the pet shop and got them a treat. They usually eat it every Sunday though, but they have none left. I think they had it for 8 weeks. Wait, we've had them longer than. Oh, wait a minute. It's been like, hold on. It's been 9 weeks. We've had you guys. 9 weeks. Taz, what are you doing? Look at that pretty bird. Look at that pretty bird. Yeah, you are. Who's a cute bird? Who's a cute bird? You are. Yeah, you are. I call him Buddy Reno. He's my buddy. You want to do what we do sometimes? You say Chip? Say Chip. No. Lip. No, say it. Chip Lip. Chip Lip. He probably doesn't understand why the phone was in his face. He's like, what is going on? Sometimes I'll say Chip, and then he'll say Lip, and then I'll say Chip Lip. It's kind of like a little silly thing that me and him do. And his girlfriend down there, Ari, she doesn't really like being taken pictures. Like, I took pictures of her. I guess she's doesn't like cameras or something. What is the matter? What the matter, girl? What the matter, girlfriend? Well, she ain't my girlfriend. She's yours. She's your girlfriend, isn't she? Isn't she? Yeah. Isn't he so cute in the swing? Yeah. You're so damn cute, Taz. I love you too much. You're the best president in the world. I am, well, you and Ari. I don't mean just you. I mean both of you. Ari's like, what about me? I'm always saying the wrong things. I don't mean to's. I don't mean to offend you. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I try to say the right things, but I love you. I love you. You want to say anything? Say hello. Love you. Taz, say love you. There you go. Well, that's our 9 weeks of having our budgie birds. And they're still kind of sketchy. Well, we were not the original owners of them. But someone gave them to us. But maybe where they used to live, they're just a little sketchy, like sketched out when it comes to people. And I mean, there were cats trying to eat them where they used to live. Cats were attacking you guys. So I can understand why they're scared. They're just nervous because they lived in I guess they were scared where they used to live, so. There's Tazzy. Da-da-dun. You guys are so cute. You know that? Taz. Oh, hi, buddy. Hello. Come to see what I'm doing. Yeah, you guys are cute. But anyway, that's our 9 weeks of having our budgie birds. Just wanted to do a little update. And they're cute. Oh, wait, one more thing before I end the video. I got them a birdhouse from a dollar store. Well, I went down there and found it. You know what she's been doing? They've been eating it. They're actually eating the birdhouse. Aren't you guys? How good is it? Oh, here's our little treat that we've been giving them. It's like a long brown thingy. See it? There's Ari. It's long and it's brown. That sounds so dirty. It's long and it's brown. Well, it really is brown, so. Oh, they're kissing. They're kissing. But yeah, we've had this birdhouse for like 5 weeks now, and she finally started going in it. So, didn't you? I'll come in here sometimes and they'll be eating it. They'll be eating the birdhouse and stuff. Yeah, you will. There's Taz, look at him. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. I open the door. I don't know if I don't want to put the phone in there. I don't want to scare them. They're still a little scared. Aren't you guys? I don't want to scare you. I love you. Anyway, I'm going to close this door and end this video. So I hope you enjoyed my budgie bird video. And goodbye.